Hi Superachievers, hope you are working seriously on your careers. Yesterday मैं न्यूज़ देख रहा था. Generally in morning when I open my laptop, I just go through the latest news. So one of the news was very critical so far career and jobs openings are concerned. And that news is India increasing private sector partnership in defense manufacturing. क्यों? क्योंकि काफी सारा इन्वेस्टमेंट होने वाला है. स्टार्टेड हो गया. विद इन नेक्स्ट 5 to 10 years 10 lakh crores of investment is going to happen in defense manufacturing. क्यों? India is going to become self-reliant in defense products. अभी क्या हो रहा है? काफी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हम लोग बाहर से इंपोर्ट करके ला रहे हैं एंड दैट इज वेरी कॉस्टली. यू जस्ट सी द राफेल फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट. इट्स one aircraft is crores of rupees. And now what we'll do? India is going to design the product, develop the product, manufacture the product, use the product, and then export the product. 10 lakh crores investment. That means you know how much we are going to manufacture and use and export. कौन सा सेक्टर में जनरली होगा? Generally it will happen in fighter aircrafts, naval system, missiles, drones, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence and defense manufacturing. तो आज हम लोग देखेंगे. Today you will see why defense industry is exploding. जो कि मैं ऑलरेडी बता दिया आपको. 10 lakh crores going to be invested in defense manufacturing due to self-reliance in these products. Second देखेंगे top defense projects that is going on and or something is going to happen. High demand careers. कौन सा सेक्टर में high demand careers रहेगा? Top defense companies. How to enter in these companies? How to get a job in these companies? Which is most critical one for you. Skills that you should build when you are having your academic qualifications. Salary structure थोड़ा देखेंगे. जनरल आइडिया होना चाहिए क्या सैलरी स्ट्रक्चर और आपका एक्शन प्लान. सिंपल है एक्शन प्लान. दैट विल सी. सो वी आर रियली इंटरेस्टेड टू मेक ए करियर इन डिफेंस सेक्टर. दैट मीन्स यू आर वर्किंग फॉर योर कंट्री. देन स्टे विथ मी 12 to maximum 15 minutes. We will see all the things we have to see. And don't forget to share this video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. चले. By the way, this is Atindriyam Careers and my name is Pratap Harichandan. तो पहले देखते हैं टॉप डिफेंस प्रोजेक्ट्स क्या क्या चल रहा है अभी एंड मेनी इज गोइंग टू हैपन ऑल्सो. अग्नि 5 शायद ये टेस्ट भी हो चुका है. अग्नि 5 मैन्युफैक्चरिंग भी तो स्टार्ट होगा. देन तेजस जी फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट MK-1A and MK-2. This is India's indigenous fighter aircraft and it is expanding rapidly. That means we need these aircrafts in our air force. India's requirement is there. Then once it is fulfilled, then we can export these aircrafts. Then it is your 5th generation aircrafts, which the radars cannot actually recognize these aircrafts. One project is going on, AMCA projects. Then Russia also agreed to supply this Su-57, also the technology transfer. That means we can manufacturing this Su-57 in India. This is one of the, 5th generation fighter aircraft. Nobody has yet developed. Just imagine. Then layered air defense system, Akash, BrahMos, V-Source, QRSM, then KUSA project. Then आपका हाइपरसोनिक टेक्नोलॉजी भी इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है. हाइपरसोनिक मिसाइल्स ऑल्सो वी आर डेवलपिंग. AI पावर्ड वारफेयर, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस यूज करके वॉर्स होगा. टू दैट मीन्स आपका सिस्टम वॉर ये बोलते हैं इसको. देन स्पेस एंड सैटेलाइट इन डिफेंस. हाउ टू यूज दिस सैटेलाइट्स आपको पता है ना. नाउ इंडिया इज गोइंग टू इंस्टॉल 52 constellation of satellites. 52 satellites will be working together to view to actually monitor Pakistan and China, what they are doing in the defense sector, because always they are doing something which we don't know. Then आपका C-295, which is a transport aircraft that we are going to, very heavy, very big and heavy aircraft, that also we are going to manufacture. So these are the projects. Will start, Su-57 will start, and some projects are also going on. Just imagine. These are the projects. And many projects are going to come also. Then देखते हैं आपका high demand careers. Generally, this is manufacturing, engineering, manufacturing, technology. So engineers are required. Like mechanical engineers, aerospace engineers, electronics engineers, computer science and engineering engineers, artificial intelligence, robotics, mechatronics, and आपका data scientist, material scientist, supply chain and logistic, manufacturing and quality, सब sector में आदमी चाहिए. That means jobs will evolve. A lot of jobs are going to come. Just imagine this one. Now देखते हैं which are the top companies. गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में देखेंगे जैसे भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेड, भारत डायनामिक्स लिमिटेड, हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक्स लिमिटेड, दैट इज हाल, डिफेंस रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. इसरो भी आ सकता है बिकॉज दे आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सैटेलाइट्स. सो दीज आर द कंपनीज एंड ऑल्सो लॉट ऑफ startup companies in drone manufacturing. There also you have a big career opportunities. IG drones, they have already invested 300 crores in one of the project that is going on in Odisha, India. They are supplying drone system to Army and Air Force, also to Navy. They are developing one drone that is called KAL. So a lot of things are going on. So a lot of opportunity, again, I'm telling you for you. Now the critical one, how to enter in these companies or how to get a job. पहले तो देखते हैं एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन. डेफिनेटली आपको एक बीटेक डिग्री और बैचलर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री करना पड़ेगा. सो फ्रॉम क्लास 11-12 you choose PCM science stream, and if you can get into G main it is better, or G advanced also it is fantastic. You can IITs you will get, from IITs you can get into easily into these companies. And if you are from a private company, if you are from a average like state level engineering college or a private engineering colleges, you also can enter into these companies. How will see branches क्या रहेगा, already have talked to you. Aerospace engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics engineering, then computer science and engineering, robotics engineering, इस सब में आप ब्रांच ले सकते हैं selectively. Aerospace and engineering may be the top one, or computer science engineering, and maintain a CGPA about more than 7.5. CGPA you must keep more than 7.5, and start a profile in LinkedIn and GitHub. This is very important because these are 24/7 your profile are visible to the companies, and these are the actually resume, online resumes. Whenever you build some projects in second year or third year, put it in GitHub. You can build some small drone project or robotic project or embedded system project or any coding project. Those things you can put in your GitHub and be live in your LinkedIn profile. You can connect with like-minded people in the like-minded companies. Like these companies just I told you, connect with them, like their content, ask questions. Everybody may not reply. Some of them can reply to you. Skills to develop. क्या skills आप develop करना चाहिए? Definitely, if technical skills, coding skills, Python coding skills होना चाहिए. How to use the artificial intelligence tools. आपका CAD, if I want to go in design, then manufacturing के लिए और मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग, प्रोडक्शन इंजीनियरिंग में जा सकते हैं आप. एंड अब मैटलैब यू गेट टेक्निकल स्किल्स और काफी सारे स्किल्स है. एवरीथिंग आई कैनॉट टेल यू. देन आपका होगा सॉफ्ट स्किल्स. सॉफ्ट स्किल्स में इंपॉर्टेंट है आपका कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कम्युनिकेशन मीन्स यू मस्ट नो हाउ टू स्पीक, हाउ टू प्रेजेंट द थिंग्स. And problem solving skills means whenever there is a problem, how you break down those into small projects, small problems, and get the solution. Keep this in mind. ये होने के बाद how to enter जो कैंपस इंटरव्यू, फर्स्ट वन इज कैंपस इंटरव्यू. आईआईटीज में कैंपस होता है, एनआईटीज में होता है, काफी सारा प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस में भी होता है. इफ यू गेट इनटू थ्रू दिस कैंपस इंटरव्यूज, इट इज वेल एंड गुड एंड देयर इज नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट. जनरली एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट होता है, टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू होता है, आपका मतलब टेक्निकल टेस्ट भी होता है, एंड एचआर इंटरव्यू होता है. दीज आर द प्रोसेसेस. एंड डायरेक्ट एप्लीकेशन, when the jobs are published in the company website, there also you can apply. So make a, that means fantastic resume आपको बनाना पड़ेगा. So first is application, resume screening हो गया आपका पास, then online assessment होगा, technical interview होगा, managerial interview होगा, HR interview होगा, then you get the offer letter. I could remember once I had gone to Hindustan Aeronautics for one of the, that was the senior manager production. And that requirement was there, Hall Nasik. But that interview was very simple. It was only front to front, that means face to face interview. Unfortunately, I could not select it, but one of my friends got selected. So these are the processes in your direct application. Now देखते हैं DRDO scientist. Generally, it is also published in the newspapers requirements, and they ask for GATE score. More than 90 percentile, if you have GATE score, easily they will shortlist you, and you can attend the interview, and you can get into that. Many times they also ask for the internship. Once you get into the internship, you can know the things there also. If you have a chance for internship, go and do the internship. Then देखते हैं आपका हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक्स, भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड भारत डायनामिक्स. There also they require your GATE or written test depending on the company's requirement. And last में देखते हैं स्टार्टअप्स. यहाँ पर आपका अपॉर्चुनिटी काफी सारा है. If you are really interested, you know the things, you can get into this. They are hiring like anything. ये हो गया आपका जो how to enter a company. Definitely, if you are cracking G main or G advanced, that is the elite one, you can easily get into that. And smart route is आपका जैसे कोई भी स्टेट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज से पास आउट कर रहे हैं और प्राइवेट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज से पास आउट कर रहे हैं, appear for the GATE and get through that GATE, apply for the post whenever they are published. And the startups, look for the openings when they are asking for IG drones. Many times I see in LinkedIn they are asking for there are vacancies. There also you can apply. But as I told you, build your LinkedIn profile and GitHub profile. Put the things whatever you do. अभी देखते हैं salary. Salary generally if you see, starting is from 4 lakhs to 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum. 10 lakhs डिपेंड करता है कितना टेक्नोलॉजी इन्वॉल्व है, कितना मतलब डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द पोस्ट एंड द कंपनी. मिड लेवल इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 8 to 10 lakhs. It can go up to 35 lakhs per annum. And the senior level it can go up to 1 crore and more than that. So this is the career growth you have in these companies also. So this is all about your careers in defense sector. If you are really interested, start working from now. And if you have any doubt, please ask me. I am ready to help you out. All the love, all the power.